So for us at Absa, family banking means really bringing together all the products and services that we offer to our customers into a combined offering where we're not just looking at individuals, but we're looking at a collective family and trying to solve not only for the individual, but their broader family and their family needs. I think if you look at the way the financial services industries and banks were looking at families and defining families, it was in a very traditional way. I think the way society has evolved, we've moved on a lot. I consider my parents, I consider my grandparents as part of the family. If I'm in a relationship and I'm not married, I consider that part of my family. So I think it was very important for Absa to recognize that and then deal with each individual and each unit as they consider themselves and as they define themselves. So rather allow the customer to define the family than us defining the family for them. So if you take a single parent, obviously first and foremost in that parent's mind would be, how do I take care of my kids? How do I ensure that if anything happens to me, that my kids are taken care of, and if I get into bad times, if I get into difficulties, that there is money coming in that at least provides for a basic time period. So with that in mind, we launched what we call a retrenchment cover. That's no extra fee for you. You get that as part of the bank account you open with Absa, and that allows you to get 2 months of free cover up to 5,000 rands to take care of the basic needs of your family. In addition to that, we've got disability cover that provides you another 5,000 rand of disability cover for 2 months should something happen to you. If God forbid the parent passes away, then the funeral expenses are taken care of. And any of these covers can be extended depending on the individual's needs and affordability. So whatever they feel they need to do to protect their family, we want to make sure we cater for it. The definition of what a family means has changed so much now. So if we take an example of where two families are coming together and we call that a blended family, then you've got the two main members. Let's say both of them are earning parents. They've got to take care of the needs of their children, and they've got parents they've got to take care of. But obviously you want to make sure that they're not overburdened by paying for banking fees and services. So we would allow one of the parents to get a 50% discount on their monthly banking fees, and we would allow one member of the family to pay for the banking fees for the other members of the family. So that's a feature that we call Bank on Me, which allows the individual to pay for the banking fees and services for anybody in their family that they choose to define, and however they choose to define.